How can I install Windows 7 without DVD or USB on Linux? I have a different problem that I don't think can be solved, but it's better to ask before losing all hope. I currently run Crunchbang, Debian dist, and would like to install Windows 7 as well. However, my computer don't have a DVD reader and all my USB drives are too small. Is my only solution to this problem to buy a larger USB drive?
Method 2016. First of all, you need to create a partition for Windows installation files. It should be 2 GB bigger than Windows ISO. Install a tool that help you install Windows directly from the hard drive. Install a tool for work with NTFS. Format partition in NTFS. Copy installation files to partition. Reboot, and you will be able to install Windows. Update. WinUSB is deprecated now, use WOSB instead. Type WOSB help for more information.
If you're comfortable doing it, you might be able to create a small partition on your hard drive, extract the Windows ISO contents to it, then install it from there. I found a thread about how to do it from within Windows, but it shouldn't be too hard to do it in Linux. This URL, though it doesn't look like they ever did figure out how to get it working, it looks like a good place to start. But it would probably be easier just to purchase a bigger USB drive, smiley face.
If you are familiar with Grub, try the first way. Install with Windows PE. Make a Windows partition with NFS as file system, put your Windows install image there. Download an Windows PE image with virtual CD-ROM software to somewhere your Grub can access. Boot the Windows PE with Grub, load your Windows install image and install it. Fix your Grub. Install with help of another computer. Install Windows on another computer. Run c:\windows/system32/sysprep.exe and reboot into a live Linux. Make an image of drive C with DD of some other tool on Linux. Restore the image to the active partition of your computer on your Linux. Update your grub.cfg to boot that partition. If you are using Ubuntu, you can use sudo update grub to update your grub.cfg automatically.
Another easy way to install Windows in Linux is to start a VM. You have to pass the installation target device block, for example /dev/sda, to VM and of course the Windows installer. Here a simple script you can change to fit your purpose. After installation, Windows attempts a reboot, but due to no reboot the VM does not reboot. You may now reboot to the real drive and continue the installation there.
You could do it via PXE booting, but that requires at least one other computer on your network. It would also take you several hours to set it up. USB sticks are cheap. You should be able to get a 4 GB or 8 GB stick for just a few euros. Much cheaper than spending all your time trying to set up a PXE boot environment for a single installation.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.